Okay, like we've been talking about this week, we are learning about nonfiction poetry. And part of nonfiction poetry is that it is all real and that we are looking for things that we can find and are true about these real life things. So, like in My Name is Gabriella, the book we've been reading this week, that was nonfiction poetry about a girl and her life and what she wanted to do. Right now we're going to listen to a poem about crickets, and we're going to see what we can learn about the crickets. The crickets. You don't need tickets to listen to crickets. They chirp and cheep for free. They fiddle and sing by rubbing each wing, and will never charge you a fee. So go through this poem and try to find what things that you learned about the poem, about crickets. You do not need tickets to listen to crickets. They chirp and cheep for free. They fiddle and sing by rubbing each wing, and never will charge you a fee. So go ahead and look through the poem, find out what you can figure out about crickets from this poem, and then go ahead and you will write down what you learned from the poem on the Anchor chart